So what's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be making, see that motor right there? Okay, it's been sitting on the floor for like 6 years. We're going to be making, out of this scrap crap, we're going to be making a boat motor holder like you guys see in the other fancy boat videos, but I'm not fancy, so I'm going to get one of them, and yeah, so here we go.
Boys and girls, we're making a boat motor holder, and it will work.
Okay. And I got my brother with me, too. That's Dingleberry and Hangleberry. Anyways, here we go. All right, I'm going to get you guys set up, and then I'm going to try to get all that.
We thought it was Mingleberry.
All right, people, you ready? All right, boys. Let's do this. I know this is uneven, but look, does it look like I care? Alright, now, see how I made that? Now we're gonna, I know this is uneven, but this is, now I'm just gonna do the same thing on this. Do that, yeah. So, I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna do that. Alright, boys. Okay, got them built. Now I'm gonna take this and like, that's gonna be over there and that's where the motor's gonna sit. You guys get the, all right, people, now see this right here? We're gonna be making that. See how that's gonna work? I'm gonna weld that to that and we're gonna do that to that and we're gonna do all that good stuff to that, okay? Okay, now. All right, guys, one of the reasons I'm not going too heavy on it is this metal's like super thin. And it's like super thin and, oh crap. And, yeah. But that'll hold. This metal's just super, super thin. So yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I gotta add, I don't know if motor on like that. And that's gonna go on like that. Yeah. Yeah. I do want just a little bit of overlap, guys, so I want to be able to weld this onto that, okay? All right, where'd my helmet go? Okay, that's not bad. Okay, yep, I'm in pain. Okay. All right, that's not bad. So now, come on, baby. I think this could work. Oh, it's got a chain on it. Why in the world does it have a chain? That could work, boys. That could most certainly work. Alright guys, so I just got done drilling the holes for that piece of wood. I forgot to hit record on my camera. Ain't I a special human? Anyways, I'm gonna cut that piece with the chain off because I can't find that's gonna go like that, okay? Anyways, now I'm gonna cut that, do all that good stuff. So I'm gonna set you guys up and hopefully press record because that was bad. Alright, boys. You gotta find the... Alright, there we go. Now that's gonna go like that. And that's how that's gonna be. Okay, people? Now I'm gonna find a couple screws to screw that in. Hopefully I don't screw this up. Okay, that was just bad. People like that, you people see it, you like it, you love it, okay? Alright. Finished. See, people, it's not that hard. Hold on, wait a minute. Now, see how easy that was? You just got to two of them, one of them, two of them, boom. Yeah, okay. Now the moment of truth. Does it actually work? I think it's too short, but you get the point. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to find out if it actually works. All right, now we're going to put the motor on and see if it actually works, okay? It's not a big motor. I'm just sick of it laying on the ground all the time. Okay. Yeah, booty. Uh-huh, yeah, man. See how easy that was? See it, you 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 see it? Guys, you see that? There's that. But see how easy that was. Boom. Yeah. I'm actually pretty excited about that. I'm pretty proud of that. Looks like a piece of crap, but you know, you get the point. Now, I might find some more supports for that to go to there and that to there. But yeah, guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Okay. If I even have a piece of metal that I can. Alright guys, so I just really hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see more from Acorns to Oaks Outdoor Adventures, just like and subscribe. But yeah guys, how's that, okay? And we will see you in the next video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe like I already said, because I already said it 3 times. Please. Okay, bye.